Before you even touch your profile, do this first. It will save you time, stress, and probably a little sanity. You signed up on Fiverr, made a profile, create a few gigs, and nothing. No views, no messages, just silence. Sound familiar? That's because you skip the part that separates the freelancers who make money from the ones who give up after 2 weeks. Hey, I'm Mahmud, a top rated freelancer with hands on experience helping clients. I have been here, you are, starting with zero, figuring it all out the hard way. But today, I'm giving you the exact steps I wish I knew before I ever touched my first freelancing profile. If you're serious about freelancing, and this video is where you start. Alright, let's get into it. Here are the 5 things you must do before you even think about creating a freelancing profile. Step 1. Build a sellable skill. This is where most people mess up. They hear about freelancing, get excited, and rush to create a profile without having a real skill to offer. Not just any skill, but a skill people are actually hiring for. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve that a business or a person is willing to pay for? This is your foundation. Choose one service-based skill people are already paying for. Writing, editing, graphic design, web development, video editing, whatever. Learn it, practice it, get feedback. You don't need to be a pro, but you do need to be good enough to deliver results. That's when clients start listening. If you're not sure, that's your starting point. Pick one skill, get decent at it, whether it's writing, video editing, graphic design, or something else, and then move on. Let's keep it real. No skill equal no money. Step 2. Understand the platform. Fiverr is not the same as Upwork. Freelancer.com is not the same as People Power. Before creating a profile, pick your platform and study it like a client would. Look at how gigs are displayed, how freelancers are ranked, how buyers search. If you don't know how the platform works, your profile will not either. Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Power, or TopTel, each has different rules, cultures, and algorithms. Don't try to be everywhere at once. Pick one, then spend time as if you are a client. Search for services, notice what profiles show up first. Understand how ratings, keywords, and gigs work. You are not freelancing on the internet, you are freelancing on a platform. Learn its language. Step 3. Define your niche and target service. Please don't say, I'll do anything you need. That's the fastest way to not get hired. Choose one clear service that aligns with your skill. For example, instead of graphic design, go with YouTube thumbnail design or ebook cover design. Get laser specific with what you do and who you do it for. This makes your profile 10x more attractive. Clients want specialists. Step 4. Study top freelancers in your niche. Want to know what works? Spy on the winners. Find the top rated freelancers in your niche. Analyze their profiles, read their bios, look at how they title their gigs. Check their pricing, delivery time, even their thumbnails. Don't copy, borrow their structure and learn what makes their profiles convert. Step 5. Prepare a sample portfolio, even if you have no clients yet. No one is going to trust you because you'll say you're good. You need proof. No clients? Doesn't matter. Create samples. Create 2 or 3 strong samples of your work, even if they are self-made. If you are a logo designer, make logos for demo brands. If you write blog posts on topic you know. Your samples are the bridge between 0 clients and your first client. Step 6. Craft a value-based offer. Don't jump into writing a bio like, hi, I'm John and I'm passionate about design. That doesn't sell. First, get clear on your offer. What result do you give and to whom? Example, I help small businesses create logos that look pro and attract customers, even if they're just starting out. Nail that message first. Then write your bio around it. Step 7. Set up the right mindset. This is not just a side hustle, this is a business, and you are the product. You will face silence, rejections, revisions, and tough clients. But if you treat it like a business, you will act like a professional, and that's how you will stand out. Remind yourself you're not here to try freelancing, you are here to build something. All right, let's do a recap. So, first, build a marketable skill. This is your foundation. Understand how your chosen platform works. Number three, pick a niche and define a clear service. Number four, study top freelancers. Success leaves clues. Number five, prepare a solid sample portfolio even with zero clients. Number six, craft a value driven offer before writing your bio. Number seven, lock in the right mindset. Treat this like a real business. If you do these steps, and your profile will not just look good, it will work. Most people don't prep like this. They rush in, then wonder why nothing happens. But you are building the foundation first. That already makes you different. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more freelancing strategies that actually get results, and drop a comment below if you are stuck choosing a skill or niche or any other point. I will drop a complete video guide on this topic. That's all for today.